This guy is, he's into her all the time. Okay, I think we're all ready. We're all set. Now, the next artist is about to make the live stream go wild as he is one of the most bankable and charming leading men of his generation to date. We're talking about Donnie Pangilinan. Now, this good amigo of mine has starred in well-received works such as He's Into Her, just like what I said a while ago, Can't Buy Me Love, and An Inconvenient Love and Good Game, GG. Of course, with Donnie on this special day is his management team, his mother, and co-manager, Miss Maricel Laksa Pangilinan. Hi, Mom. I miss you. And Star Magic manager, Miss April Del Rosario. Hi, Adi Apes. Great seeing you all the time. Now, may we present to you the talented debonair, Donnie Pangilinan.
Okay naman, kapitbahay.
Oo nga, no?
Miss kita.
Kapitbahay, pero kapitbuhay tayo. All the
Wow!
time. Oo naman.
Hello sa lahat ng nakatutok. Maraming salamat po. And syempre, sa ating mga bosses dito. Hello guys. Thank
Teka
you so
lang, teka
much.
lang. Tukuha naman pa ako ng trabaho eh.
Ay, sorry,
Teka
sorry.
lang, may mga ano tayo dyan, timing tayo dyan. Pero we're just so happy to hear your song right now. It's Biglaan by Donnie Pangilinan himself under Universal Records. Grabe, no? Ang dami mong pinapakita. Like acting, dancing, hosting, lahat. Even singing, di ba? Pero siya po pala ang nanalo ng isang award for this song.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
yes.
can you tell us more about that?
Salamat po sa Star Awards, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Yes. Kasama ni Maki also. I think he also won that award. So maraming salamat, Universal Records as well.
Congratulations
Thank you.
for this milestone. And also, lots to celebrate right now. How are you feeling na you're about to sign that contract of yours?
Well, I'm feeling very blessed. I really love the fact that I get to have an extension with family. Every time I step in ABS, it's like nasa bahay pa rin ako. And nafe-feel ko talaga yung pagmamahal ng isa't isa. And I'm just so happy that despite everything, we've never lost hope. And we continue to come up with more things that people have not seen before. And I'm just very glad to be a part of this whole journey. And I can't wait for what's to come.
Oh, we're so excited for Donnie Pangilinan. And tulad sa mo, ang dami mga obstacles, ang dami mga red flags. But we're just so
Totoo.
happy that we have one of the greenest flags para sa ABS-CBN, and that is you, my brother. Are you ready?
Ready?
All right, let's
Game.
make this happen. Okay. One of the greenest flags you'll be seeing in the world. That's Donnie Pangilinan. And what's happening right here, mga pamilya? It's not biglaan. Matagal po talaga na pinag-isipan at syempre, matagal na magsistay po si Donnie sa ABS-CBN. We're just so really happy that you're here, brother. It's time for the heart of the event, the signing of the contracts, which will usher in a new stellar era for Donnie. So without further ado, Donnie, let's seal the deal. Siyempre, naunguna sa pagpirma si Miss Maricel Laksa Pangilinan.
Thanks, Mom, for being here. Love you.
And I think that's it. Congratulations, Donnie Pangilinan is forever Kapamilya. Okay, apart from entertaining audiences on screen, Donnie has touched off screen the hearts of loved ones and colleagues just like some of the people you'll be seeing in this video. Donnie, watch this.
He may have it in his bloodline, but his career in showbiz was not served, but learned with hard work and determination.
Para sa akin, hindi naging madali para kay Donnie ang pagpasok sa showbiz kasi unang-una sa lahat, hindi kami sang-ayon doon. Kaya sinabi namin, kung talagang gusto mong mag-showbiz, you really have to be found. We will not make introductions for you. Hindi ka namin ipapakilala sa mga kaibigan namin.
Saturday mornings, pumupunta siya ng workshops.
At siya nagbabayad ng gas. Dahil hindi namin
Pinaghirapan talaga niya.
kotse na hindi niya babayaran ng gas.
True.
With his natural charisma and various talents to offer, soon enough, he made his way to the industry and landed breakthrough projects that earned him a massive following. He's Mr. Popular.
She's something else, something,
One of the universe next.
something about her.
I'm only interested in giving her hell.
Asa ka?
On cam, he's very professional and I really love working with him. Ang sarap niya katrabaho, ang saya niya katrabaho. He's such a joy on the set. And even off set, actually, sobrang genuine niyang tao.
Kamusta? Siya nga pala ako si Bingo.
Close your eyes, dry your
His character for the show is different from, his real life persona. So it was mandatory na mag-immersion siya sa mundo ni Bingo. Makita mo yung excitement niya and the openness as a person. And na-excite ako sa mga pwede niya pang gawin.
Aside from notable hit series and movies, as one of the most successful love teams in the industry, his works really speak the language of his generation.
May kaya kang gawin sa level na hindi kaya ng iba.
Whether it's through work or personal encounters, you carry a sense of purpose and mission. You never compromise your values, even if it means turning down projects when they don't align with your principles.
His success has never changed his core values and made him realize his greater purpose.
Palagi niyang iniisip paano niya magagamit kung nasaan man siya ngayon para makatulong ng ibang tao, para umangat din sila sa buhay.
I was his professor in college. I'm the international president of Call to Rescue. We rescue kids from sex trafficking. You've been on board from the very time you had an extra nickel, an extra peso, and you have given and given and given financially. But also, when we went on tour with Gigi, and you had Call to Rescue's name right alongside, and I just appreciate that so much.
He proves that when you are coming from a good place in everything that you do, it will take you to even better places in life.
Nagawa na natin ang last sa bucket list natin.
Gagawa tayo ng new bucket list.
Gusto ko rin yun.
Congratulations, Nato. I'm very proud of you. Keep doing what you love doing and continue inspiring people.
I just want to say congratulations for this contract renewal. And I think now that you have developed as an artist and also honed your craft, it's just going to be a whole new side of you. And I'm really excited to see that partnership bloom. I love you so much. Mwah.
Dons, tuloy mo lang. Push mo lang. I know you have bigger plans beyond being an artist. Gusto kong produce pa. And that you want to write, co-write scripts. Well, we need more like you. God bless you, my son. And our talent sa MediaWorks. Congratulations.
With your talent and your good heart, we are really proud that you are a part of us, our kapamilya forever, Donnie Pangilinan.
Well, you have to believe it because Donnie is here to stay. Donnie, may message ka ba para sa lahat? Right here in ABS-CBN. And why don't we have a photo with our bosses, whom we consider our family members as well in the Kapamilya Network, together with their managers and mom. Donnie Pangilinan. Currently, he is a magpasikat, Jurado, and it's showtime. We'll be seeing more of him right there in that program. We have been seeing some clips of him, non-official, in La Union, as he filmed another serie with Bell. Lots of things for Donnie Pangilinan. All right, maraming salamat to our bosses. And now let's have the walking green flag walk towards center in front of the grand table for a solo photo. That's Donnie Pangilinan. Started off as one of the best mixed VJs, and now he is one of the best leading men of his generation. Hey, Donnie, can we have you right in the middle first for a photo op? That's Donnie for you forever, Kapamilya. Congratulations, Donnie. I'll see you later. Okay, Donnie is off to the media con together with MJ, and of course together with his managers. Ate April is over there together with Miss Maricel Laksa. Sa lahat ng mga Star Magic managers po natin, maraming salamat. I know you got a lot of work to do, including our bosses, but this means so much to every Kapamilya artist na nandito po kayo ngayon.